Welcome to our exploration of bull and bear markets. These are two fundamental concepts in finance that describe the overall direction and sentiment of financial markets. A bull market represents rising prices and optimism, while a bear market signifies declining prices and pessimism. Understanding these cycles is crucial for anyone interested in investing, as they directly impact investment strategies and financial outcomes. Throughout this video, you'll learn what defines these markets, what causes them, and most importantly, how to stay rational during market extremes. A bull market is a period of sustained optimism in financial markets. It's officially defined as a rise in stock prices of 20% or more from recent lows. During bull markets, investor confidence is high, and people are eager to buy stocks expecting continued growth. These periods are typically characterized by rising prices across the board, strong economic growth, with expanding businesses and increasing profits, optimistic market sentiment, where investors feel positive about future prospects, and high employment rates as companies hire more workers. Bull markets can last for several years and create substantial wealth for investors. In contrast, a bear market represents a period of widespread pessimism and declining prices. It occurs when stock prices fall by 20% or more from recent highs over a sustained period, typically lasting at least 2 months. Bear markets are marked by declining prices as investors sell off their holdings, economic slowdown or recession with reduced business activity, fearful market sentiment where investors worry about further losses, and reduced investor confidence leading to decreased buying activity. While bear markets can be psychologically challenging, they're a normal part of market cycles and historically have always been followed by recovery. Bull and bear markets differ significantly in several ways. Bull markets typically last much longer, averaging 3 to 4 years, while bear markets are shorter, usually lasting 9 to 18 months. The defining price change is a rise of 20% or more for bull markets versus a decline of 20% or more for bear markets. Investor behavior also differs dramatically. During bull markets, people tend to buy and hold investments confidently, believing prices will continue to rise. In bear markets, investors often sell their holdings and adopt a cautious approach, worried about further declines. Understanding these differences helps you recognize which phase the market is currently in. Markets move in cycles, progressing through 4 distinct phases. First is the accumulation phase, where informed investors begin buying after a downturn, recognizing value. Second is the markup phase, which is the bull market itself, characterized by rising prices and increasing participation. Third comes the distribution phase, where smart investors begin taking profits while the general public becomes most enthusiastic. Finally, the markdown phase represents the bear market, with declining prices and widespread selling. This cycle repeats continuously throughout market history. Understanding where you are in the cycle can help you make better investment decisions and avoid common pitfalls. Several factors can trigger and sustain bull markets. Strong corporate earnings and productivity mean companies are making more money and operating efficiently, which drives stock prices higher. Low interest rates encourage investment because borrowing is cheap and savings accounts offer lower returns, pushing money into stocks. Technological innovation and growth create new opportunities and increase economic productivity. Positive economic indicators globally, such as rising GDP and strong manufacturing data, boost confidence. Favorable government policies, including tax cuts or business-friendly regulations, support market growth. Finally, high consumer confidence and spending indicate a healthy economy where people feel secure about their financial future. These factors often work together to create powerful upward momentum. Bear markets are triggered by various negative factors. Economic recession or slowdown reduces business activity and profits, causing stock prices to fall. High inflation and rising interest rates make borrowing expensive and reduce consumer spending power. Geopolitical tensions and uncertainty, such as wars or political instability, create fear and cause investors to seek safety. Poor corporate earnings reports indicate struggling businesses, leading to lower stock valuations. Panic selling and market fear can become self-fulfilling as widespread selling drives prices even lower. Financial crises or banking issues, like credit crunches or bank failures, can trigger severe market downturns. Often, multiple factors combine to create a perfect storm that pushes markets into bear territory. Markets are fundamentally driven by human emotions, which can lead to irrational behavior. During bull markets, greed and euphoria take over. Investors become overconfident, believing prices will rise forever. This often leads to risky decisions like overleveraging or investing in assets they don't understand. Conversely, during bear markets, fear and panic dominate. Excessive fear causes hasty selling, often at the worst possible time, locking in losses. Investors may abandon sound investment strategies because emotions override logic. The key to successful investing is recognizing these emotional extremes in yourself and others, and maintaining rational decision-making regardless of market conditions. Remember, the best investors remain disciplined when others are driven by emotion. Staying rational during market extremes requires discipline and strategy. First, stay focused by sticking to your long-term investment plan rather than reacting to short-term volatility. Second, diversify by spreading investments across different assets, sectors, and geographies to reduce risk. Third, stay calm and avoid emotional decisions during volatility. Remember that market swings are normal. Fourth, keep learning by understanding market fundamentals deeply, which builds confidence in your strategy. Fifth, think long-term because markets have historically recovered over extended periods and time smooths out volatility. Finally, practice dollar-cost averaging by investing consistently regardless of market conditions, which eliminates the need to time the market. These principles help you navigate both bull and bear markets successfully. Bull and bear markets are natural, inevitable cycles in financial markets. They've occurred throughout history and will continue to occur in the future. Understanding these cycles helps you make informed decisions based on logic rather than emotion. The key is to avoid emotional reactions, whether it's excessive greed during bull markets or panic during bear markets. Success in investing comes from staying rational, maintaining a diversified portfolio to spread risk, and remaining focused on long-term goals rather than short-term fluctuations. Remember, every bear market in history has eventually been followed by a new bull market, and patient, disciplined investors have been rewarded over time. By understanding market cycles and controlling your emotions, you position yourself for long-term financial success.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.